Welcome here to the ultimate in family living at 36 Augusta Street in Redcliffs.
It's an absolutely awesome position in Redcliffs, slightly elevated, you've got a sea view, plus right on the doorstep of the coastal pathway in the vibrant Redcliffs hub.
On offer is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living. Everybody's going to have enough space and you're going to come home and feel like you're in a Balinese retreat.
We'd love to show you through. With the standards from Ray White, I'm Simon.
And I'm Paula.
We'll see you soon.